Hey, Richie, Bullets and Breadheads back at the dungeon in the range. Somebody asked me if this is a public or private range. This is public. It's actually in the bottom of like a mini mall. It's like underground. And it's not the best range in the world, trust me. But you can do whatever you want here. You can fast fire, draw, and as long as you're safe. I mean, they got cameras all around. But I love it here, and during the day, during the week, I'm here on a Friday, nobody's here. So I got the whole range, most times to myself. Surprisingly enough, I don't have any range, not a lot of videos on my favorite gun, my Glock 19. Now, I just put the Trijicon HD sights on here, and they're sweet. They were a pain in the ass to put on. I was going to make a video of it, and then it was taking way too long, so I went over to one of my buddy's house. That's a nice tool shop, and I put them on there. But we're going to see where they're hitting. You put new sights on, you got to see where they're hitting. And I don't care what modification you guys do. I say it over and over again. Test fire the gun before you depend your life on it, because it doesn't matter what modification you put on. I don't care if it's just grips. You might do something like block the magazine release and something like that. So always, whatever mod you do, before you depend your life on it, take it to the range. So let's try the Glock 19. We're gonna fire some shots, see where I'm hitting it with my new sights. And they're hitting nice. I'm at 10 yards right now, and they're hitting right where I want it to hit. Let's bring this target in. I have one flyer, and when I go to the range, I don't fire, take a breath, reset, take another shot. I fire as if it's real world. I mean, that's even kind of slow, but you can see that's less than a fist. So I'm shooting like a 2.5, 3-inch screw, and I can tighten that up if I really want. But the sights are perfect right now, right where I want them to be, and the front sight really stands out. That orange jumps out, and what a difference. If anything about Glock, stock, they're perfect. But only thing I recommend changing on them is the sights. So we're going to put this back. Guys, picked up a whole bunch of ammo the other day. So 9mm, hard to get, but I found some. Okay. Do another mag. Get some shells out of the way. Glock 19. Absolutely love. This is my gun right here. This is my go-to gun. 9mm is plenty. I take all my classes with this particular firearm, and I absolutely love this. Anytime I take it, I bring this and my now my new Glock 26. I bring as a backup. I bring two guns, so you never know. Something could fail in the field, and you have a backup gun. especially on a class. You know, you're spending that money. Make sure you have a proper gun working. Well, anyway, I love this gun. It's my favorite. Hard to find right now, the Glock 19, but this is a Gen 3, flawless, absolutely flawless. I love this gun. I had this one for I don't know how many years now, and it's been absolutely perfect. See if I got another mag. Got one more mag here, guys. Why not, right? These are all the mags I have. So, one more round with the Glock 19. Absolutely love this gun. That was a little further away. That was 12 yards. You can see where I'm grouping now. It's a really nice group. So, like I said, you practice whatever gun you have. I don't care the trigger. I don't care the make. If you practice, you'll become an expert at that gun. The old saying, beware of the guy with one gun, that's true. So, bullets and broadheads out. Glock 19, absolutely flawless. Trijicon HD sights. These things, guys, these are probably the best sights I've seen for a larger gun. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's it, guys. Bullets and broadheads out. Take care, guys.